Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. The upcoming latest game changer in the smartphone market, the Nokia 7610 5G. Packed with incredible features, this phone combines cutting-edge technology with timeless Nokia reliability. The Nokia 7610 5G boasts a stunning 6.9 inches Super AMOLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. This means whether you're scrolling through social media or gaming, everything will flow smoothly and look absolutely vibrant. With a resolution of 240 by 319 pixels, this display ensures clarity and richness in colors. And it's protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7, so you can say goodbye to scratches and other damage. Concerned about water and dust, the Nokia 7610 5G is IP69 certified, meaning it's designed to withstand the elements. You can take this phone on your adventures without worrying about accidental splashes or dust getting inside. Now let's talk cameras. And the Nokia 7610 has you covered, featuring a triple camera setup at the back, highlighted by a powerful 108MP main camera. It captures stunning photos with incredible detail. Plus, an additional 13MP ultra-wide lens and a 12MP depth sensor round out the package, perfect for every photography enthusiast. And for those who love taking selfies, the 8MP front camera ensures you'll always look your best, no matter the lighting. Powered by Android 13, the Nokia 7610 5G offers a sleek and intuitive user experience. Enjoy the latest apps and features, ensuring you're always up to date with the newest technology. Under the hood, the phone will be equipped with the Unisoc T606 chipset, providing reliable performance for everyday tasks, gaming, and multitasking. With 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, you'll have plenty of space for apps, photos, and videos all at your fingertips. Worried about battery life? The Nokia 7610 5G houses a robust 4500 mAh battery, and with 80W fast charging, you can power up your device quickly and efficiently, giving you more time doing what you love. All in all, the Nokia 7610 5G is more than just a smartphone. It's an innovation powerhouse that combines an impressive display, powerful camera capabilities, solid performance, and durability, all in one seamless package. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.